Oh, my head full of hair, my curls. It's all short. All these curls. Oh my gosh, just a curl. Oh, now that's cute. Like a lot of moms, I lost my hair while nursing. For most women, it grows back. But after the second kid, the bald spot remained. This is a picture of me on my wedding day. All my hair. This is a picture after both of my boys, and my hair is thinning. This is a picture of me a year after both of my boys, and I have a hat on my head. I tried vitamins, shampoos, spray fibers. All that stuff only helps the hair you have. It doesn't grow new hair. After a while, I got to the point where I said enough with all the products and trying to angle my head during pictures. Everyone has something they're insecure about. Thinning hair was just going to be mine. Still, there's a double standard I just can't shake. It's okay for men to be bald, yet successful and confident, but women, we're supposed to have this thick, luxurious hair. Even though half of women experience hair loss, no one really talks about it. So when I learned about NeoGraft, I thought, why not? I talked to a friend that had had the procedure. He said the hardest part was picking out which movie to watch on his iPad and making sure it was charged. Compared to most hair transplants, it's not a major surgery. The recovery is fast, and I will be back to my regular routine the very next day. The doctor explained how there is more hair in the back of my head, and they're going to extract individual follicles and then transplant them to my thinning areas. There will be some minor swelling and serious itching. I can wear my hair down, or I can always throw on a hat. The most important thing is to be patient and set realistic expectations. It takes 6 months for the transplanted hair to start growing, and it's not going to turn me into a hair model, which is fine by me. I don't want to look like anyone else. I'm just trying to feel like me again.